In my opinion, design should be unique. It's very important that you look for that individuality. I'm Rui Alexandre, one of the co-founders of Maria Riding Company. Our workshop is in Alcântara. It's a place that's very charismatic and very old school. Maria Riding Company started with a desire to design. We started out by making custom motorcycles, helmets, surfboards, everything that we always wanted to do. Working with creativity, it's dangerous, I think. It's a very dark place for me. You always start approaching a problem without knowing how to solve it. When I start dealing with a design problem, I need to be alone, I need to have space, and I need to have time. Inspiration is one of those keywords that don't mean nothing, but they are everything. There are a lot of things that can give me the inspiration where you work in the design, when you start shaping it. If I'm riding the motorcycle or go to a concert, if I listen to some music. Since I was a kid, I was always related with surfing. It's something that occupies a lot in my mind and in my life. The board has to be in sync with the wave. It has to answer you. And design is like that. It has form and has function. And it's the same with a skateboard. The wheels and the bearings have to work perfectly anywhere I skate. Now working for the LEGRABOX, I was inspired by the light and shadow that came from a building. That architectural piece had an interesting effect. It could be a way to go on that project. When you have such perfect pieces, I like to put some organic touch that can give you the notion that they were made by human hands. It reflects that individuality that is so important.